Well, this is June 5th, 2021. It's the first time I've seen a hawk beacon on the Silver Comet Trail. The signal's equipped with a detector, and it can tell when someone's coming on a bicycle. Now imagine it can tell when someone's coming on foot. All right, someone's coming. The beacon flashes, and you get solid red. And the rider gets a pedestrian signal letting them go. Now they'll get the flashing red on this side and the flashing hand on the trail. Now the signal's dark, and the don't walk indication should be on. And that's it.